Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I am going to be making a delicious chicken breast recipe. This is a chicken breast over rice recipe I think you will enjoy. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Okay, let's get started. I have a half a cup of mustard. You probably want to use some type of spicy mustard or Dijon mustard, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. And I have a half a cup of honey. And I have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'll mix it really well. I'm going to put in probably a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to mix it really well. I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. It was 2 giant pieces of chicken breast. I just cut them in half. I'm going to mix the mixture really well and over the chicken, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And I'm going to crumble my bacon that I cooked earlier. And I wiped out the pan that I used to cook the bacon in. Now I'm going to put in about 2 or 3 teaspoons of bacon drippings and about 2 teaspoons of butter so I can saute my mushrooms. You want to cook your mushrooms until all the water is out and you have a nice little sear on the mushrooms. Those mushrooms look so good, I can eat them right now. Okay, and so I let my meat marinate for 2 hours, and I put a little oil in the pan, about a tablespoon of oil, and I put my chicken breast in a very hot skillet so I can get a good sear. And I'm going to season with just a little bit of salt and pepper. The sear looks really good. So if you know this recipe, you probably know that I deviated away from the recipe. I found this recipe on Facebook, but I kind of made it my own, which I like to do. And so my chicken is done. The oven was set at 400 degrees, and I cooked the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. Internal temperature about 165. So now that the chicken is good and hot, I'm going to add my mushrooms. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. I'm going to add my cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you like. Shredded cheddar cheese. Colby Jack is pretty good too. I'm going to add my crumbled bacon. And with the drippings from the pan, I am going to add some better than bouillon cube to make my sauce. It's about a half a teaspoon of the better than bouillon cube, and about a teaspoon of butter, about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Stir it up, let it simmer for a minute or 2, and we're ready to plate. If you like this recipe, please like and share. Leave me a comment. Please like and subscribe and share this video.